Hey guys, this is Lester Diaz, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to use Instagram on your computer. If you've been looking for ways to upload videos or pictures from your computer, from your PC or your laptop, I'm going to show you the software that I'm using that works really well. It's free to download, and how you can actually use it to schedule your content. If you wanted to schedule your content, you can also use it for that. But it works really well, and I'm going to show you where you can download it and how to use it. All right, so let's just jump into my computer so I can show you how that software actually works. And you can download it for free. You can use it on Mac or a PC. And I'm going to post a link on the description of this video so you can download it for your computer. It works on the Chrome browser, so you do need to have Chrome in order to use the software. And it's actually free. It's pretty self-explanatory, and it works really well. So I'm going to open it right now. And what you need to do is once you download the software, it'll ask you to create an account. And once you create the account, the next step would be to simply hook up your Instagram account with the software so you can then upload pictures and videos, and you can even schedule your posts. So it has multiple features. And it has an option to gain followers. You're not actually buying followers, you're simply just liking other people's posts that are also using the software. So it has a few features that are worth mentioning, and it works really well. So I'm just going to do a quick test just to show you how the software works. I'm going to click on it, and I'm going to select the video that I want to upload. And one of the main features that it has is that if you're uploading a picture or something like that, you can also select whatever filters you want, just like you would on the Instagram app. So I'm just gonna see, let's just select this and make sure that it looks right. I'm gonna try to do it the best I can. And we're gonna click next. So the next step is just it'll ask you to upload, um, put your content, your hashtags, your caption as you would normally on the Instagram app. So what I did is I actually have just gonna copy and paste this one right here, and we're gonna hit publish. So there's a video. That's how the video is gonna look. And you can, as you can see, it says upload on. You can schedule it to upload some other time, or you can do it immediately, which is what I'm going to do right now. I'm just gonna put this caption that I wanted with a few hashtags, and it has an option to put some other stuff if you wanted to. So it's just gonna hit send, and it's going to, now keep in mind something, that if you're going to schedule posts, I believe that you do have to have the software actually working on the background, something you can actually just close the page and expect for the post to be scheduled. So once you schedule something, just make sure that you have the software open so it actually works. So I'm going to just give it a few seconds to see if it actually uploads, and we'll check my Instagram account in just a few minutes. All right, guys, so the upload is complete. So we're gonna check my Instagram account right now to see if that actually worked. And as you can see, the video is sitting in my account. I'm going to just refresh the page, make sure everything is good. I'm gonna click on it, and you can see the video with everything that I placed, the hashtags and everything. If I just click play, it works awesome, no issues. So as you can see, the software works really well. Like I said, it's free to use. You can download it for PC or Mac. So there you have it. Now you can use Gambler to upload pictures and videos, and to schedule your content if you want. And it actually has a few different tricks that you can use and implement with your Instagram account to help you get more likes and followers. So Thank you for watching, guys. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe. You can also follow me on Instagram by just going and searching for my handle there. And I'll see you guys on the next video.